Hi, welcome to lesson 31, word problems about comparing. In the past, we've talked about a subtraction formula where we have sum, take away, and then sum went away and gives us our total. But this is a new kind of subtraction problem. It involves comparing, where we look at one item and the other item, and we ask what's the difference in between here. So a larger amount minus a smaller amount gives us the difference. And will you please circle this in your notes? When you hear the word what is the difference in a math problem or on a test, it's cueing you that you need to think about subtraction. So that is a buzzword to tell us we need to look at subtracting. Let's look at a problem here. Andrea collected 42 apples. Little brother only collected 32 apples. How many more let's see, they ask us, how many more apples did Andrea pick to her brother? So I'm gonna erase this. We have the larger amount, which is 42. And Andrea is what Andrea got. And her little brother, he only did 13. So we're subtracting his amount from hers. So, oh, dang it, 2 minus 3. You know what that means. We've got to regroup. 12 minus 3. I can do that now. 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. So Andrew picked 29 more apples than her little brother. Next problem is there are 17 apples in a basket, 63 apples in a barrel. This lesson really loves apples this week. And I'm looking at this, they want to know how many less there are in the basket when you compare it with the barrel. So let's take our larger amount of 63 and we subtract 17 apples. Lots of good exercise regrouping. 13 minus 7 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So there are 46 more apples in the barrel, or we can think of it as it has 46 fewer apples in the basket. And finally, I wanted to pick on this. I love number lines. Love them. There's an example of this in the book. They want you to know what's the difference between these 2 points. Difference! That means we need to subtract. First off, we got to find out what these points are. And so you have to look. In the book, they're showing it. It looks like each tick mark is representing 1 point. Yep, 1 point. So if this is 40 right here, I'm going to make that much bigger, then this little guy is going to be 42. And this point is right here. We need to just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 26. So we want to know how many are in between this. Easy to do, easy to solve. We take 40 minus 26, and that gives us our answer. Let's regroup. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So if we were to look at this right between here, there are 14 tick marks in between these 2 points. And there you have it. Word problems about comparing. Try a few and see if you can unlock the puzzles. I will see you at the practice set. Take care.